watch number 65, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Denton, Texas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 2:16 p.m. Central. Central Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in Texas: Dallas, Ellis, and Tarrant. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert. Thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a later statements and possible warnings. Commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rome or near Briar, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Rome, and New Energy around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Flower Neck, Royal, Argyle, and Corral City around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Denton and Bartonville around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doublewood in Copper Canyon around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Corinth, Island Village, and Hickory Creek around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Louisville, Lake Dallas, and Shady Shores around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The Colony, Lake Louisville, and Little Elm around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Westlake, Ponder, Louisville Lake, Oak Point, Lincoln Park, Newark, Dish, Grapevine Lake, Marshall Creek, and Lakewood Village. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 469. Interstate 35W between mile markers 66 and 8. A severe thunderstorm. Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hamilton County in central Texas, southwestern Somerville County in north central Texas, southeastern Erath County in north central Texas, northern Lusky County in central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hyco, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Iorrydale around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Meridian around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Liquid Harbor, Walnut Springs, Morgan, Claret, Capitol, Steve Shores, Lakeside Village, and Dove. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's Daylight Time, and now includes the following county: Collin, Texas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Listen to know weather radio, commercial radio, television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 66 remains in effect. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Godley, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Interstate 20 between mile markers 422 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 3.
Available away from exterior walls or windows, in a closet, bathroom, pantry. Every home is different, but get as low as possible. Put as many walls between you and what's blowing outside in the wind. This storm is basically moving almost due east at about a 35 to 40 mile per hour clip. It is going to be crossing right over I-35W here in the next probably about 15 to 20 minutes. So obviously, we're very concerned about north and south moving traffic from Burleson down south through Alvarado. So tracking this storm eastward here puts it in Keene at 7:53.
At 7:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Joshua, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near 55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm: Lillian, Liberal, avoid windows. Your outdoors in a mobile home. Vehicle, move to the closest shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. County in north central Texas, north central Hill County in central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, southern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Midfield to near Grandview, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Wilkes, Texas, Oak Springs, Ennis, Midlothian, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Chittendale, Hutchins, Alvarado, and Windmill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 10 and 26. Interstate 35E between mile markers 385 and 419. Between mile markers 462 and 470. Between mile markers 483 and 485. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 277. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Quickly severe thunderstorms. You can spot a tornado go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. You're listening. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe Texas, western Van Zandt County in north central Texas, northeastern Ellis County in north central Texas, southeastern DeNorth County in north central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Seagoville to near Combine to near Alma, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mesquite, Ennis, Tyrrell, Seagoville, Kaufman, Kenton, Willows Point, Maybank, Crandall, Combine, Tulsi, Edgewood, Camp, Grays Prairie, Cottonwood, Curtis Creek State Park, New Terrell City Lake, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Myrtle Springs, and Elmo. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 485 and 527. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.